A digital graphic of the TechOWL logo being formed out of a blueprint.
Battery interrupters are a quick and versatile way to adapt simple electronic toys so that they can be controlled by external switches. I'm going to teach you how to make this in under 5 minutes with no soldering. Here we go. You will need a conductive adhesive, like this copper slug tape, an audio cable, or at least the female end, and a scrap of cardboard or cardstock. I'm using a piece of a cereal box. The first thing you're going to do is cut the stereo cable about 8 inches from the female end. At the cut end of that wire, we're going to strip off about 2 inches of the plastic coating. So once you're down to the 2 interior wires, you want to strip about 1/4 inch of the coating off of them as well, leaving the ends bare. Set the wire aside and you're going to cut some squares. We need about a 1/2 inch square of cardboard and 2 1/4 inch squares of copper foil. This will fit a AA battery. Adjust accordingly if your toys have different sized batteries. Now you take your bare wires and line them up, one on each side of the cardboard. To be sure the wires don't touch, go ahead and let a little bit of that red or white insulator overlap the cardboard. Peel the backing off your copper foil. And stick that right over the wire. Smooth it out, flip the card over, and do the same thing for the other wire on the back side. Again, we want to completely cover the copper and even a little bit of that plastic just to be sure. Ta-da! That's your battery interrupter done. So now what we're going to do is to use this, we open up the battery compartment of a simple electronic toy. And we slide this piece of cardboard in between the metal contacts, which on this toy are on the door itself, and the end of the battery. Then close that back up. Your toy can now be controlled by an external access switch. Plug in a switch to your newly installed battery interrupter jack. Put the toy in the on position and activate the switch. Ta-da! So remember 3 simple steps. Strip the wires, cut some squares, and tape it up. Enjoy. Happy creating.
To learn more about the technology we have in our learning library, check out our website at techowlpa.org. If you like this video and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button and follow us on social media. Links in the description below.